we're talking about warehouse rack safety with Mark from DAMO. Mark, can you tell us about the DAMO Pro?
I sure can. So the DAMO Pro is kind of the repair solution that started it all, commonly known as a repair kit. So it's meant to address rack damage and restore load capacity to that upright.
Interesting. So why is the DAMO Pro so popular?
So the DAMO Pro is an engineered solution that restores the load capacity of a damaged upright. And because it's got built-in protection, it's practically bulletproof.
So why would I use the DAMO Pro instead of replacing the whole upright?
Well, if you consider the time, effort, and disruption caused by replacing an upright, the sheer time that it takes to remove the beams and the pallets, then closing down an aisle, it's very disruptive to somebody's operations. We kind of remove all that concern with our solution. So from the fact that we ship in a fraction of the time and we install in a fraction of the time of replacing an upright, this is the solution to get us there.
And what if I have several types of racks in my warehouse? Can you repair them all?
We sure can. So whether that's selective rack, pushback, pallet flow, whether your racking is made out of structural steel or cold formed, we can repair them all with our solution.
What's it made of? Like, how tough is this thing?
The key component of this is our front post. This is where the brunt of the impact takes place and what supports the upright column. And this is made of 1/4 inch thick, hollow structural steel tubing.
Okay, so let's take a closer look. Can you walk us through the different parts of the repair kit?
Sure. So starting from the bottom, we have our base plate, which is what we use to anchor the unit to the ground. Now, depending on the region you're in, this is a standard foot plate or base plate. We can use a seismic base plate as well for seismic regions. We have our bull nose here, which acts as a protector for the anchor and as a deflector for impact. Making our way up, I talked about the hollow structural steel tubing. We have our cup here, which kind of joins together the upright along with our repair solution. And then we come to the back here and we have our C3 channel, which is welded to the front tube and gets connected to the back of the upright. So as the impact takes place, transfer of energy over here, dissipated throughout the back of the upright. And then we have our diagonal tube here that closes the panel out.
You mentioned that it was anchored to the ground. How exactly is it anchored to the ground?
So we use one of these puppies right here. So this is a Hilti high shearing anchor, 5/8 by 4 inches deep. We put one of these in a bull nose over here and another one in the back to prevent rotation in case of impact.
Okay, I see. So thinking about the look, can I customize the finish?
You can. I would say the most popular color that we offer is our DAMO Orange. However, we can customize the color to a customer's needs to include galvanizing the product for certain environments.
And does the DAMO Pro come in standard sizes or are they all custom built?
No, they're all custom built. The most common size is the one we see here, which is a 24 inch. But we've gone 12, 15 feet up in the air. So certainly size is not a concern when it comes to the DAMO Pro kit.
Can I add a beam to the DAMO Pro?
You sure can. So you'll never have to worry about losing a beam position. We have a patented accessory that bolts into our kit so that that beam can be reattached as needed.
What happens if the damage is located on the back part of the upright?
Simply put, this is a front leg solution. What we do is that we end up putting a monopost to the back here, replacing the damaged back column, and we bolt ourselves into it, therefore protecting both the back and the front columns of the upright.
Okay, so let's talk installation. How does the installation work and can my workers install it themselves?
Because it's a load-bearing solution, we don't allow just anybody to install our kits. So they have to be certified by DAMO and go through a rigorous process to do so. So I think the best thing to do is to have the experts perform the install, and those are folks that are certified by DAMO.
I see. So how long does it take to install?
So typically speaking, 45 minutes is what you're going to see for a typical repair kit. Those have been doing this for years. We have crews that have been doing this for 10, 15 years. They're knocking these out, like this one in particular, in under 20 minutes.
So just to be clear, no unloading is necessary?
I would tell you that that's absolutely right. So there may be cases where we have to unload a couple pallets at the very top for a very, very tall upright that might be carrying very heavy loads, but for the most part, it's minimal to no unloading to put one of these repair kits in.
And is there welding to be done on site?
Not at all. These are all bolted solutions. So from the bolt that we see here that join the upright to our repair kit to the bolts in the back, everything is bolted in the field, no welding whatsoever.
And once it's repaired, will my rack hold the same capacity?
Yes, because it's an engineered solution, any repair kit that we install will indeed restore the load capacity of that position.
And does it come with a warranty?
It does. Probably one of the top benefits of what we have, it's a lifetime warranty against impact. So to the extent we put one of these in with our certified installers and somebody were to run into it, bend it in some way, shape, or form, or shear the anchor, we'll come in and replace it free of charge.
I have multiple facilities across the country. Can you service them all?
We sure can. We have probably the vastest network of distributors in North America, and we're on the road all the time. So wherever your location might be across North America, we can come out and see you.
That's very helpful. Okay, last question. Why is the DAMO Pro the best solution on the market for damaged rack columns?
Well, as I mentioned, this is the one that started it all. So this is the repair kit, and if you're looking for a cost-effective and quick solution to your damaged upright, the DAMO Pro is the one to beat.
And how do I get in touch with Damotech?
Just go to our website, damotech.com, request a quote or request information, and we'll get right to you.
Great. Thanks, Mark.
Thank you.